welcome back to the 2020 Ohio Hardwood Furniture Market. Here we're at Ebony Woodworking, and can you tell us a little bit about your business?
Yes, I'm Nathan from Ebony Woodworking,
Nice
the
to
live
meet you.
edge guy in Ohio.
Very good. So tell us a little bit about Live Edge. I love the look, by the way. What's this over here?
This live edge table is my best-selling table, and what people like about this is you can do consistent sizing, consistent pricing. So the customer walks to the store and you got a 6-footer here and they want a 7-footer, you can go in my price sheet and get a pricing because we do the board footage.
Wonderful. And it's all absolutely 100% unique, right?
Yes.
There's no table that is the same.
Everyone has a different shape, but it's still very consistent.
Yeah, and so it's got the kind of rustic, modern feel to it. Tell me about this over here. What do you have here?
This was one of the pieces that had the most attention at the show here.
I can see why.
Yeah, with this river.
Yeah.
And I personally like the gray because it's neutral. Mm-hmm. And then you put in some stones, add a little bit of white.
Yeah.
And
the technical name for this is?
It's a epoxy.
Epoxy river
and you
table?
put that
Okay.
in at a few pours. You can't just do it at one time.
Right. Yeah. And so this is a gray epoxy. What other colors does epoxy come in?
There are a lot of colors available,
Yeah.
anywhere from red to blues to black. You tell us what color you want, we can mix together.
Wonderful. That is great. So this is a great neutral, but it sounds like you can kind of mix and match according to the tone of the wood.
Yes.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
And some people like to put fishing lures in here.
Oh.
We've seen ammunition in there. You bring it to me, we can put it in. If
That
it fits.
is amazing. So you could even put some coffee beans in there.
Yep,
if,
we've actually done coffee
Really?
bean. My wife loves the coffee bean look.
Oh, that's great. I
And
love it.
We have
Yeah.
a coffee table at our home with the coffee beans.
That
in it.
is fantastic. Well, I also have an epoxy river table at home, and I absolutely love it. Let's move over here to the bar stools. The bar tables, excuse me. Tell us about this. What is this?
This is a spalded maple. You can see the spalding is this black part.
Okay.
And then these have a tendency to crack when we're drying them.
Okay.
And that's why we fill it with, this one has a gray epoxy. This one over here has a black epoxy, but we can, put in any color.
But you know what? I love that look because even though it's maybe something that is imperfect, that's what makes it unique, and that's what makes it live edge epoxy filled.
We like to bring out the imperfections and make a piece that's one of a kind.
That is absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much, Nathan. This is a great example of live edge hardwood furniture right here. This is Ebony Woodworking. Please stay tuned, and we'll be right back with more great furniture segments at the Ohio Hardwood Furniture Market.